Workshop.my Just Learn on YouTube channel. Before watching this video, please subscribe this channel Just Learn on, which will receive all new videos notification. Trees are the kindest things I know. English Workshop, My English Book 8. Question number 1. Pick from the poem words that rhymes with the following words: fun, gun, sun, no, grow, now, cow, bow, sight, right, night, fly, try, fry. Question number 2. Pick from the poem lines that create a picture in your mind. A. And in the spring new birds of green, and gather birds among their boughs to touch the beams of morning sun, when evening changes into night, and when a moon floats on the sky. Question number 3. The poet refers to trees as a kindest things. From the poem, pick out 5 facts which prove the kindness of tree towards others. 1. They do not harm. 2nd, and spreads a shade for sleepy cows. C. Provided shelter to the birds. D. They give us fruits. E. They hum a drowsy lullaby. Question number 4. Find words that describe the following: sleepy cows, green new birds, morning sun, drowsy lullaby, kindest trees. Pick out lines that mean the following: trees provided shelter for animals and spreads shadows for sleepy cows. Trees provided food for all, they give us fruits. Trees are most lovable, trees are the kindest things. Kids love to listen to song from trees, they hum a drowsy lullaby. Trees live a simple life, they do not harmfully, simply grow. Question number 6. Write an appreciation of the poem with the help of the points given below. म्हणजेच काय तर पुढील रिकाम्या जागा भरून या कवितेचे रसग्रहण करा. 1. The title of the poem is Trees are the kindest things I know. 2nd, the poem is written by Harry Ban. 3. The poem has 8 stanzas. Each stanza has 2 lines. Number 4. The lines that rhymes in each stanza are first and second. 5. The poet compares trees with things he knows. 6. And they are the words repeated in the poem. 7. The line I shall always remember is trees are the kindest things I know. 7. Read the given extract from the poem Little Drops of Water by Julie Fletcher Kearney. Learn it up, set it to a tune and enjoy singing it. You may ask your teacher to help you. Little drops of water, little grains of sand. Little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love help to make earth happy like the heaven above. Help to make earth happy like the heaven above. Little drops of water, little grains of sand. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe this channel. Just learn.